So this is where you could see the notes section where you could type anything you want. The file tab is where you can see blank presentations and other templates, your other saves, new, open, info, save as, print, share, export, close, account options. The quick access toolbar is located on the top left, which is save, undo typing, repeat save, start from beginning, smart art, new. Zoom options are where you could zoom in closer to see whatever you are looking at or zoom outward. The slide tab is where you could see your multiple other slides or presentations. The slide area is over here where you could also type. The title has, of course, a bigger font and the subtitle has a smaller font. The ribbon is located over here, of course, at home where you could layout, reset, new slide, font, and yeah. The slide views are normal, slide sorter, reading view, slideshow. Though these are only 4. Thank you.